I'm gonna show you guys. I've had two $1 million days this week. It's pretty incredible. Where is it? I'm gonna show you I'm gonna walk through the TVIX trade from yesterday. That was something epic. I was up like 1.6, 1.5, 1.6 at the lows on TVIX, and then it had a big bounce into the close, so I gave back a little bit of money on it. So this is by far my biggest day ever. Yep, after taking that $1 million loss over the weekend, which sucked. Yeah, $2 million days in 1 week. That's something new for me. And I walked through it was so obvious. Like, I've been watching this TVIX for 2 weeks straight. It's always shown relative strength to the SPYs, always. But the day before yesterday, something changed. The day before yesterday, the day when it peaked at 1,000. Like, this is where TVIX peaked at 1,000. And after it peaked at 1,000, SPYs went lower, but TVIX didn't take out the highs for the day. TVIX went to 989. That's the 997, sorry. So it couldn't even take out the highs for the day. And it got very obvious yesterday, mid-late day, where TVI started taking out ranges to the downside and building lower highs and taking out more ranges to the downside, while SPYs went sideways. Like, SPYs were in a tight range and TVIX just got sold. You could clearly see the relative weakness. That was the first time in 2 weeks, at least, something that happened. So I added. I was short a little bit before, but I added here once it broke below this 5-minute range, and I added more here. And I think I even added more here. I don't remember. And then, it was just a waterfall decline. And at the lows, I was up, I think, 1.5, 1.6. And then it had a bounce into the close and a big bounce in after hours. I held 3,000 shares over. Or actually, I held 2,500 shares over. I covered some after hours because I didn't want to deal with a 200-point gap up. Yeah, that was a very, very good trade. And I'm telling you guys, if this SPYs reclaim this declining 20-period moving average, this yellow line, TVIX is going to have another unwind. There's so much premium in these volatility products. There's just so much premium in these things. It's incredible. Just incredible opportunities in this market if you wait for it. If you really wait for it and act decisively when you see it. And you will clearly see, this 60-minute range break to the downside. Boom, straight down. And I hear some people on Twitter say technical analysis doesn't work on these volatility products. Yes, it does. They don't trade on supply demand, but technical analysis still works. It looks exactly like the Tesla chart. Exactly like the Tesla chart. On the 60-minute chart, it just wrote these 60-minute moving averages. It was surfing. Exactly the same, but faster. So technical analysis works, even if you trade something that's not working on supply and demand. Oh, TVIX, holy shit. What if it goes to sub 400 today? Oh my God, I'm going to have another $1 million day. Come on. Holy shit. This is what a premium unwind looks like. This is what happens when premium leaves these volatility products. This is what happens. I don't have as much size as I had yesterday, but I have enough size. It goes down another $100, I will have another $1 million day. Let's just say that. That would be epic. This has been building premium for a long time. And I've been following the TVIX ticker on Twitter for the past couple of days, and there are just so many people are gonna get absolutely shelled on this thing. There's literally one guy a couple of hours ago who said he's gonna average down on this thing as it falls. Like, this guy is gonna he's gonna blow up probably. There was so much money to be made on the long side past month, and now all these guys are gonna give it all back and more. They have no idea what the hell they're doing. No idea.